Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. This is a day 11 of SQL LeetCode problem series. Here we solve 577 problem that's name is employee bonus. This is a easy type question. If you are new in this channel, so make sure like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. We have a table. The table name is employee and here we have column name and its type. Here we have four columns. The first one is employee ID, name, supervisor and salary. Employee ID is the column with the unique value for this table. It means here we have a imp ID which is primary key. Each rows of this table indicate the name and the ID of an employee in addition to their salary and the ID of their manager. And we have a second table. The second table name is bonus. And here we have column name and its type, imp ID and bonus. Imp ID is column of unique value for this table. Imp ID is a foreign key. Refer column to imp ID from the employee table. Each row of this table contains the ID of an employee and their respective bonus. Here, this line is most important for this question solve. This line. The what is this line say? Here, write a solution to report the name and bonus amount of each employee who satisfied their uh, either of the following. The employee has a bonus less than 1,000. The employee did not get any bonus. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Here we have an example which has we have a table. The table name is employee table, and here ID, name, supervisor, and the salary. Here we have ID 3, 1, 2, and 4, Brand, John, Dan, and Thomas. Here in imp ID 3, the name is Brand, and supervisor null, and the salary is 4,000. But we have the second table, which is a bonus table. Here invited 2 and 4, which is given. So here the main thing is we have to print name and bonus. So here Brand, John and Dan. It means this line indicate the employee has a bonus less than 1,000. So here the employee did not get any bonus. It means if less than 1,000 or its bonus is null. It means no bonus. So here we write a query. So first we write here select. And what we want to print? We want to print name. And the second one is what we want print? We want print bonus from our table. What is our first table name? Our first table name is employee. So here we write employee as E. And the second one is here we write left joint. What is the rule of left joint here? The left joint rule here, rule first table and the second table in join. It means first table, all first table and second table is right. It means here the first table is employee and the second table is bonus. So here we write left joint or here we write here bonus. And bonus we indicate as a B. Now here we write on and here we write E and imp ID is equal to V dot imp ID. Okay. The last one is here we write a query where this line mentioned here the employee has a bonus less than 1,000. So here we write bonus less than 1,000. And here we write or condition because here write either. Here when they are mentioned either, so there we use or. And here we write bonus is null. If yes, so we print the table. Now let's run the code and check its output is true or not. So yes, our code is accepted. Now this code submitted and we check all test cases passed or not. So here we go. Yes, 21 out of 21 test cases passed in this question. So if you are new in this channel, so make sure subscribe the channel, like the video and go and check full playlist in the description.